In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate hours worked in Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking work hours for a project, managing your team's schedules, or just trying to keep track of your own time, Google Sheets can be a powerful tool to get the job done. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily follow along. To begin, you're going to need to open Google Sheets. If you already have a spreadsheet ready with your data, you can skip this step. Otherwise, you can create a new sheet by navigating to Google Sheets in your browser and selecting a blank spreadsheet. In your spreadsheet, make sure you have your start times and end times nicely laid out in separate columns. Let's assume your start times are listed under column B and your end times under column C. Now the focus will be on calculating the difference between the start and end times to determine the total hours worked. Click on the cell where you would like to show your first result, which in our example will be cell D2. This is where the formula will display the number of hours worked for the first entry in your data set. Here comes the exciting part, entering the formula. In cell D2, you're going to type in an equal sign followed by C2 minus B2. This simple formula will calculate the difference between the end time in C2 and the start time in B2. The formula should look exactly like this, equals C2 B2. This calculation gives you the number of hours worked in decimal form. Once you have typed in the formula, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will execute the formula and show you the calculated hours worked in cell D2. If your cells in columns B and C are formatted correctly as time, then D2 will return a decimal number representing the fraction of the day. You might want to format the D column to display this as a number and, optionally, convert it to hours if necessary. The great thing about Google Sheets is that it allows you to quickly apply the same formula to multiple rows with just a few clicks through autofill. To do this, click on the small square at the bottom right of cell D2, often referred to as the fill handle. Drag it down over the cells you want to fill, in this case, from D3 to D6. As you release the mouse button, Google Sheets automatically adjusts the formula to match each row, efficiently copying the calculation and saving you a ton of time. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated the hours worked in Google Sheets. With this newfound skill, you can manage time tracking effortlessly and focus more on getting things done. Remember to double-check your time inputs for accuracy, and you'll be on top of your schedules in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy calculating.